Hey everyone, welcome back. We're doing a deep dive today into AI agents. It's like something straight out of science fiction, but it's actually becoming a reality. So imagine AI that's not just like answering your questions, but actually performing these complex tasks, providing in-depth information, maybe even making decisions for you. Sounds amazing, right? But just like with any powerful technology, there are concerns. What happens if these AI agents start producing harmful content or what if they go off on irrelevant tangents? Or even worse, what if someone tries to manipulate them? So that's where NVIDIA comes in. They've got this groundbreaking NeMo Guardrails framework and these fascinating things called NIM Microservices. And these are specialized tools that are designed to make AI agents safer and more reliable. Kind of like building a safety net around this powerful technology so we can ensure that it's used responsibly and effectively. And in this deep dive, we're going to explore three of these NIM microservices, specifically the ones that are tackling some of the biggest challenges in AI agent safety. So first up, let's talk about the content safety NI. Think of it as a super smart filter for your AI agent. It's been trained on a massive data set to identify and filter out any harmful or biased content. So like if your AI agent is interacting with the user, and it starts generating something inappropriate, this microservice steps in and it actually prevents that content from ever reaching the user. Now, you might be wondering, like, what if the AI agent just starts rambling about something completely unrelated to the task at hand? Well, that's where the topic control NIM comes in. Its job is to keep those AI conversations, focused and on track. So let's say you're interacting with an AI customer service agent. This microservice is going to ensure that the AI stays focused on helping you with your order or your issue. Instead of getting sidetracked by random topics like the weather or latest sports scores, it's all about making those interactions, efficient and user-friendly. But what about those who try to manipulate AI systems, right? That's where things get really interesting with the Jailbreak Detection NIM. So this acts like a vigilant security guard for your AI.
It's constantly scanning for any attempts to trick or jailbreak the system. It's designed to identify and prevent any malicious attempts to exploit the AI, ensuring that it stays secure and reliable. Now, what's really exciting is that these NIM microservices aren't just like theoretical concepts. They're actually being adopted by major companies across a lot of different industries. These companies are integrating these safety measures into their AI-powered services. It's like they're paving the way for a future where AI agents are not just intelligent, but also trustworthy and safe. Okay, so we've talked about these three amazing NIM microservices: content safety, topic control, and jailbreak detection, and how they kind of act as safeguards for these AI agents. But let's dig a little deeper. Like, why are these specific safety measures so crucial? I mean, think about the potential impact of AI agents, like in all these different fields. Healthcare, I mean, AI could be assisting doctors with diagnosing diseases, recommending treatments. In finance, it could be managing investments or providing financial advice. And in transportation, it could be powering self-driving cars, or even like optimizing traffic flow, right? The applications are practically limitless. But the stakes are incredibly high. We're talking about like AI making decisions. That could have a really profound impact on our lives and society, right? That's why these safety measures aren't just like optional add-ons. They're essential components for building trust in AI systems. So let's take the content safety NIM as an example. Imagine like an AI agent that's providing medical advice. It's super crucial that the information provides is not only accurate, but also safe and unbiased. And the content safety NIM makes sure that any harmful or discriminatory content is filtered out, so users can trust that the advice they're receiving is aligned with like ethical and medical guidelines. Similarly, the topic control NIM plays this critical role in maintaining the integrity of those AI interactions. So think about an AI agent assisting with legal matters. Needs to stay focused on the specific case, avoiding irrelevant tangents or personal opinions, because that could compromise the legal process.
And of course, the Jailbreak Detection IM, that's all about protecting AI systems from those who might try to exploit them, for malicious purposes. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it's essential to have those robust security measures in place to prevent hacking and manipulation. So these NIM microservices are like the foundation of a safe and trustworthy AI ecosystem. They're designed to prevent those unintended consequences and ensure responsible use and pave the way for a future where AI can truly benefit humanity. But as impressive as these safety measures are, it's important to acknowledge that technology is constantly evolving. And as AI agents become more advanced, so too will the challenges of ensuring their safety and reliability. What are your thoughts on the future of AI safety? Like, what other measures do you think will be necessary to address the evolving challenges of this, this rapidly developing technology? Yeah, it's really fascinating to consider how these safety measures are shaping the way that companies are approaching AI development. And we mentioned, companies like Amdocs, Cerence AI, and Lowe's earlier. And it's clear that they're not just like jumping on the AI bandwagon. They're really thoughtfully integrating these safeguards to build that trust with their customers and their employees. So Amdocs, for instance, they're focused on ensuring that those AI-powered customer interactions, they're not only efficient, but they're also safe and accurate. They understand that people need to feel confident that the information they're receiving from an AI is actually reliable and unbiased. Similarly, Cerence AI, they're all about creating a safe and enjoyable experience. Within those in-car assistants, they're using these NIM Microservices to make sure that the AI stays focused on providing that helpful information and avoid straying into inappropriate or distracting topics. It's all about creating a seamless and trustworthy experience for drivers. And Lowe's has taken a really interesting approach. They're empowering their store associates with AI while also, ensuring that responsible use.
They're using these tools to help employees answer customer questions and find the right products. But they're also making sure that the AI stays within those conversational boundaries. These companies are setting a great example of how to approach AI development with a focus on safety and responsibility. They're demonstrating that AI can be a powerful tool for good. But only if we prioritize these ethical considerations right from the very beginning. As we move forward into this exciting era of AI, it's crucial that we continue to explore and refine these safety measures. I mean, the technology is constantly evolving, and we need to stay ahead of the curve, to ensure that AI agents are always used responsibly and ethically. It's a journey that requires collaboration, between tech experts and policymakers, and even the public, to create a future where AI truly benefits humanity. And that's what makes this deep dive so fascinating. Thanks for joining me.